amazing talking to you. What we're gonna get done is let's start. You work your magic, and let's just go. Yeah.
So this is the final look, guys.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video for Iron Man Lifestyle. I've got my main man Pratyush out here. He's the Wolf of New Delhi. You can find him on Instagram. So he's the national trainer for looks. So he trains people for haircuts. And in this video, I wanted him to come in and give his expert guidance on what kind of haircut suits me, what kind of haircut is gonna suit other people, and just help us out with the grooming game. Yeah.
Sure, bro.
Welcome aboard. How are we going? Alright. Pound it, bro. Alright, it's the corona time, so we're gonna pound it. We're not gonna get too much into the hand holding stuff. Yeah, bro. So last time we spoke, like how we knew each other was you DM'd me, and so you were in the States, right, for like the longest of the time.
About 15 years.
15 years, and then you came to India. Well,
Yes,
like
about
4
years ago.
4 years back, right? So how's it been here though?
Been chill, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I mean, don't you like miss the States or something?
There's situations
That
where
didn't
the
happen.
States.
Pros and cons
Yeah.
with both of the stuff. All right. So and where'd you get trained for hairstyling?
Bro, I actually went to college in New Jersey for business,
Oh, yeah?
business administration. I eventually dropped out and pursued cosmetology. And since then, I've been into hair.
All right. So cosmetology, that means you're like a hair expert, not just the stylist.
Yes.
It's amazing, bro. So
Thank
I'm balding from here. Maybe you can tell me. I know that it's because of the stress. No, actually, this one's probably because of the stress. Like because of the work that we do. Lots of stress and everything that happens. So one thing I would want you to help me out is like people who are balding. Like there were these new movies that came out. The Ayushmann Khurrana was one in the bald
Yes.
movie.
Yes.
So about that, personally, like with dating and stuff, I don't think men are bald, right? Most of the time.
Yeah.
So I don't think it matters a lot.
Bro, look
but
at Jason Statham, bro.
Jason Statham, bro. Like I don't think there's anybody better than Jason Statham. Like I think Jason Statham is much higher than what you call Vin Diesel as well, right?
Facts.
Yeah.
Completely agree.
So this one guy only today he shared a picture of Jason Statham with this really amazing girl.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
it's just like, oh my god, dude. It's fucking amazing. So some people are like insecure about their hair. So you could give us some tips if someone's like losing hair.
Okay.
First of all,
Okay.
about that. So why do you think people lose hair since you've studied?
So, bro, it's a lot of factors when it
Right.
comes to hair loss.
Yeah.
First and foremost would be genetic.
All right.
You know, it could not necessarily whether your dad is losing hair or he's bald. It could also be from your mother's side of the family.
All right.
So it's genetic.
But your mother would not be bald because they're hormonal. I mean, male and female hormones anyway. Right.
Right.
Yeah.
So second would the weather condition,
Really?
water. Yes, it plays a
Okay.
major difference. So a lot of people tell me, because we're in Gurgaon now, a lot of clients have told me that ever since they moved to Gurgaon from other states, they've started losing a lot more hair, which
Oh.
the water does play a major role.
Because it's hard water.
Yes.
Yeah. I remember in school one time, I mean, the water was so hard, my hair would get really rough. So I would shower my hair with the RO water
Amazing.
and then it would still be fine. Now I think the water's gotten much cleaner, so my hair's like fine. It doesn't get that rough.
In the
But yeah,
Yeah.
in Delhi.
In Delhi,
I
yeah.
mean, it's fine. There's some new water supply that just came. So yeah, continue. You were saying?
Also, I mean, I think
Weather.
this a lot of men have recently started indulging in steroids.
Oh right.
Right? I mean,
Yeah.
they want the quick results, gym, but that definitely has one. The major side effect is
Yeah.
hair loss,
Oh right.
and then stress, of course.
Stress.
So stress is there,
Yeah.
and I think these days everyone's stressed the fuck out.
Yeah, man. My last business, so we had like a manufacturing unit for stationery,
Okay.
and we were supplying stationery, like notebooks and everything for schools and colleges.
Uh-huh.
And we were working so hard, man, because I was right out of college, and I was like, I've got to get this done. And I was working so much, I was like, if I go to the gym, it's gonna waste time. If I hang out with friends, it's gonna waste time. I almost stopped having sex as well during that time. So
Okay.
so that just, I mean, the amount of stress that I got during that
Yeah,
time,
yeah.
and then I started losing hair.
Okay.
So I did go to like a dermat and stuff. So she helped me out, and so she gave me some tablets first,
Mhm.
but then it was mainly stress. So those tablets and stuff were like, I took them for a while, but then I stopped, and then I think she gave me some solution as well. But only when I switched from the business and changed my lifestyle of stress, then it kind of like eased out,
Understood.
and then like it grew back better. So that was like something personally that I've seen. So also I learned that anytime like you don't want to go to the gym, you don't want to hang out with your friends, and you don't want to have sex, you're almost getting depressed. And I mean, no amount of work is worth it, man. Tell me more about hair, bro. Like any other tips you'd want to give people about hair and how to manage your hair, how to, let's say, not lose hair, how to look better.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, bro, I think the biggest challenge that I face when it comes to clients asking, they'll come show me a picture of Virat Kohli or they'll show me a picture of any famous actor in Hollywood or Bollywood. Like, I want this haircut.
Yeah.
But so I mean, in my head, I'm like sometimes laughing and sometimes it's like it works. But ideally, if you're gonna show a picture, relate yourself to somebody who's famous.
Yeah.
The main thing you should look at is the face shape or the face structure.
Alright.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So
like the cheekbones and stuff.
Everything, like the basic.
Alright.
So there's a few shapes: square, rectangle, oval, heart shape.
Okay. What's heart shape?
Heart shape would be a broader forehead and a thin chin.
Like inverted triangle.
Inverted triangle.
Alright. So we've got oval, square, rectangle, inverted triangle.
Yes.
Alright. So where would I fit in?
Bro, I think you have. No, bro.
Maybe after the beard, I think it'll be. Yeah.
I mean, just about a rectangular face, bro.
Rectangle face.
Yeah.
So I was asking, like, do you have any particular hairstyles that go with a particular face shape?
Exactly. So every haircut
is
a great haircut will complement your face shape.
Alright.
Only then it will be a great haircut.
Right. Perfect.
So a haircut that looks good on somebody else
and
doesn't have the same facial structure as you. And that haircut done on you won't look as good as it will on that person.
So could you like just give us tips on like let's say we've got like 4 face shapes, right? So 4 face shapes and 1 haircut for each, which is gonna like look great for them.
So I feel like in India, about 80 to 90% of people, men's especially, have a little bit of chubbiness.
Okay.
I mean, that's just at least when I deal with clients. There's about 10 to 15% which are lean and cut, chiseled cheekbones.
I'm sure they're not like you, bro. Like I can see those chest and the biceps popping out.
So I mean, in that case, you could literally do anything. When you got gifted, you could pull off any look.
Right.
But if you have a little bit of chubbiness on your face, and Indian genetics are such where you tend to put on a lot of fat on your face first. So in that case, you should go for a haircut which creates more volume on the crown area.
Okay.
And a little bit shorter on the sides.
Right.
At the same time, on the facial hair also, beard is something which will actually make your face look better. Add some personality and some character to your face.
Right.
So when it comes to beard, you should always try to keep the beard a little tamed and lean on the sides. And again, to cross the chubbiness, leave a little bit length towards the chin area.
Okay.
So in totality, we're gonna go for a look which makes your face look leaner and longer.
So
longer hair on top, longer beard.
Right.
Short hair on the chin, on the cheeks, and short hair on the side. So again, a lean and longer look.
Right. So like, I think Gerard Butler had like that thing in 300.
Like.
And Virat Kohli also has similar stuff, right?
True. Because if you notice, he actually has a small chin area.
Okay, so he makes it
beard,
bigger.
it actually compensates for the.
Okay, perfect. So I whatever I tell my clients, I think the basic cut goes with like, I mean, shorter on the side, shorter on the back, and longer on the head, and then like a fade on the side, right? Like a gradual fade. I'll show you, like the ones which I personally feel have made me look the best. Of course, you're the expert. You can let me know which one's better and stuff. Yeah, so something like this.
Amazing, bro.
Yeah.
Great haircut.
Something like this is what like I feel makes me look amazing. What I tell people is either go with like a full beard, or either go with like a stubble, or either just go clean. But don't keep like a mustache or a French beard or a goatee. I think those are the 3 worst styles you can have, like a mustache, or I mean you can have a mustache like the big one and you can feel royal and stuff with that. That might suit some people. But like a goatee or a French beard is something that I would almost never, unless you're Dwayne Johnson,
I mean,
something like that.
I mean, the people that I think in your case, if you're trying to impress girls, you don't want to look like a porn star from back in the 80s, right? With that mustache and beard. Just be realistic.
Or having like a mullet and stuff,
True.
Features of like Sanjay Dutt from Khalnayak. Like that one. So I think a default haircut would be face looking with shorter, beard better, and that. So you think facial hair suits more people, or some people you want them to go clean?
If you can definitely grow a beard, you should definitely go for it.
Yeah. So my beard, like from here it goes down, from here it comes up.
Okay.
And from here it just goes everywhere.
Yeah.
So I just get really confused. Anytime a beard grows, it just grows like this, right? So I keep it like even shorter than this.
Yes.
This is just to show that this is when my hair grows and I don't groom myself. This is how I look.
Yeah.
So that we get like a better after picture once this is groomed. But I like to keep a stubble because then it doesn't go here and there.
Understood.
So with that, what would you recommend for like my beard?
See again, bro. Even your case, we'll keep it a little bit darker around the chin area.
Yeah.
We'll go, like you said, we'll go shorter on the sides,
Yeah.
on the beard. Clean the mustache and taper it down.
Yeah.
Make it a little sharper.
Of course.
The mustache being sharper definitely attracts a lot of attention from girls. I feel like because
Right.
it attracts attention to your lips, right?
Yeah.
And if you're trying to date a girl, you want to turn them on as much as you can.
Yeah.
So.
We're getting
So
that
short
subconscious
mustache.
attraction going now.
Exactly, bro.
Yeah.
So, short mustache, clean. I mean, whatever you do, you should look short,
Yeah.
right? You shouldn't look unkempt.
Yeah.
Whether you
Groomed,
want-
yeah, clean.
Groomed, clean.
Neat.
Yeah.
So have you seen that movie Malamal Weekly? Like do you talk Hindi though?
Yeah, बहुत अच्छी तरह बोलता हूँ.
I just like that because I was like, maybe like, we'll keep it in English. So you've seen Malamal Weekly?
No,
There's this
sorry.
Bollywood movie.
Nice.
So there's Rajpal Yadav in that.
Acha.
He's got hair like, so he grooms them on the side and here they like, like roll up.
Huh.
So they get rolled up out here.
Okay.
So that's how my hair gets from here. So with the condition right now, so it's looking still decent. But usually that's what it's been up. So we've gotten hair tips from you.
Okay.
Alright, so if someone is living in, let's say, the cities, let's go with the main cities, if you're in Bombay, Bangalore, Delhi, Gurgaon, all these places, some tips that those guys can keep in mind to keep their hair, just to make sure that, what's like good hair hygiene and how do you maintain your hair? Shampoo, condition, what do you look in a shampoo, what do you not look in a shampoo, all that stuff.
So, bro, say anything between like about your length of hair.
Yeah.
I would definitely say shampoo your hair every second day.
Right.
Don't do it every day because then it takes off the natural oils from your hair.
Yeah.
So every second or third day you should shampoo your hair.
Okay.
Maybe you could condition it also, but that is not a necessity.
Yeah. I condition them like once or twice a month or something.
Okay.
Very like rarely.
I mean, it's
Only when I remember. I'm very lazy with that.
in men. I mean, I think we're blessed when it comes to having shorter hair that
Yeah.
we don't have to do much maintenance.
Yeah.
The only upkeep that we have to do is get our beard and haircut done pretty
All right.
often.
Alright.
10-15 days.
Yeah. So one thing I recommend people is like, I mean, when you're stepping out, so once you wash your hair, you come out. So I recommend them to blow them dry and then use like a hair wax and stuff
Yeah.
to like style them.
Mm-hmm.
So what would you say about that? If
Perfect, bro.
yeah, and then I tell them to just make sure to wash the wax before sleeping at night. Otherwise, it might just, and then not put it in your scalp, but like on the hair is going to be much better to avoid the chemicals from going in.
True. So when it comes to products,
Yeah.
there's ranges of products.
Yeah.
So there's two things that you should look at in any product: if
Yeah.
it's water soluble or not.
Okay.
So if it's water soluble, it could just wash away with just water. You don't necessarily
Right.
have to shampoo it off.
Okay. Perfect.
But if it's something which is like on the cheaper, even L'Oreal for that matter, which is
Yeah.
I don't have nothing for or against L'Oreal,
Yeah.
but it's widely used,
Yeah.
but it's not water soluble.
Okay.
So it might be affordable,
Yeah.
but again, it will leave a residue and make your hair towards the end of the day. You might feel that अच्छे इतना soft smooth नहीं है जो भी.
Yeah.
So you might want to wash it off before you go to sleep.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah,
But-
I mean, anytime I put a product, it gets rough anyway because I'm using clay.
Yeah.
So that one's anyway 5 hold. So,
Understood.
but then I use like lesser
Tiny.
amount,
Yes.
not like a lot because it does get my hair hard. But it gives me that matte finish, so it doesn't make me look like it's all gelled up.
Understood.
Like more of like a casual look.
Yes.
What about like? Did you get hair loss if you blow dry your hair?
Yeah.
Is that like verified or is it just like a myth out there? Because I've heard that number of times.
So that is actually a myth. When you blow dry your hair, you're putting heat into your hair.
Right.
Excessive heat will cause damage to your hair.
Okay.
So your hair might not be as smooth and silky as it used to be with excessive use of heat.
Okay.
So what you can do is if you're gonna blow dry your hair on a daily basis, keep the heat on medium.
Alright.
So you have 3 options: low,
Yeah.
medium, and high.
Yeah.
Keep it on medium heat and then blow dry it.
Alright. Perfect.
So it will take a little bit longer,
Yeah.
but you will not have as much heat going directly to your hair.
Yeah. So we've covered the haircut, we've covered what do we look for in products, and anything you would recommend which you found out which is a really nice product or something that people can use.
My favorite product, hands down, is Balmain products.
Yeah.
You can buy it on Nykaa also. I mean,
Alright.
I'm not sponsored by the company as such, so
Yeah.
I don't care. But
Yeah.
this is my hands down,
Balmain.
my favorite product.
Okay.
Anything and everything, they have like a fragrance to it.
Yeah.
Any product that you use, and it's the
Yeah.
same fragrance in each, whether you use a female product or a male product.
Alright.
For males, I use a Stronghold Clay. It's a matte finish.
Of Balmain?
Of Balmain.
Alright.
You need the tiniest amount.
Yeah.
You put it on your hands and you just create some heat. Any clay or wax that you use, you have to create some heat within your palm.
Yeah, friction.
And then with the heat, it spreads all over.
Okay.
So you don't necessarily need a lot of product.
Right.
And when it's spread all in your hands,
yeah.
And then you start off with your fingers, and then whatever's left, and then you get everything off. Eventually, your aim should be to get rid of each and every little drop of product on your hand, so you don't start off with a lot in the beginning. Maybe if you need more, you could take a little bit more. But I would honestly say invest in a good product. It might be expensive at first, but it will last you much longer, and also won't be damaging to your hair.
Okay. Alright, perfect. I think, do we get cut off on the hair grooming part you were saying for like people living in the cities and stuff?
Yeah, but I mean, I stick to your stylist, I would say.
Yeah.
Go to somebody who you can trust, who knows your hair, and is, kind of pays attention to you and makes you feel that he cares about your hair.
Alright.
So that's a must.
Yeah.
And invest in a haircut every, I would say 10 to 15 days, bro, because hair is like a jewelry that you never take off.
Right.
So you don't necessarily have to rock a chain, gold chain, silver chain, bracelets. But this is something that you got on. You're not taking it off.
I was gonna buy a hat yesterday.
Yeah.
So that it covers my hair.
Yeah.
Right. So when you wear like a hat, people wear snapbacks and stuff. It just covers everything. And then I was out in the mall yesterday. Every dude I was seeing out there was wearing a hat because no one's kept their hair like that, right? And even when I saw Ranveer Singh coming on a live or Virat Kohli coming on like an Instagram live, everyone's wearing a hat, bro, because they're not getting a haircut done, right?
Yeah.
Tell me one last thing, because with Indians are really obsessed about oiling their hair.
Yeah.
What about that?
So, bro, I mean, oiling has been in our culture ever since we can remember. Like, bachpan mein mummy bhi chappi karti thi.
Yeah.
Har Sunday ko. But there's nothing wrong with oiling your hair. It's actually very beneficial. If you, it's just a good thing about South Indians. If you see their hair, it's very dense.
Okay.
And I think they firmly believe in oiling their hair.
Right.
So it's only good. But again, I mean, don't oil your hair and go out in public. You should oil your hair and shampoo it off in like 2 hours. Or if you do it on a Saturday night, leave it on, and then Sunday morning you shampoo it off and then go out.
Also because if you go out in public with oily hair, you attract all the dust and grease and stuff that's gonna fuck it up, plus it'll make you look weird. So for Holi, I oiled my hair and I went for a party.
Yeah.
And that was a really good party. It was at a 5-star hotel. So out there it was crazy because everyone else was just decked up in like you're for page 3 Holi party. Yeah. Because it was that level and I was just like, I don't want shit in my hair, so I oiled my hair and I was like, oh my god, let's just get drunk so that I forget that I'm looking like this today. Amazing talking to you. What we're gonna get done is let's start. You work your magic and let's just go, yeah. Yeah.
Like you showed me your favorite look.
Perfect.
In the pictures.
Yeah.
So we won't go drastically short on the sides, something where the scalp is not visible.
Yeah.
But in the back, towards the bottom, I'll taper it.
Okay.
Right? There's no line across.
Alright.
It'll be skin tight.
Yeah.
A very short, we call it like a brook or a Brooklyn fade or a taper. Where even when it grows out, it's very natural. There's no stark line as such.
Perfect, yeah.
And that's only towards the back. On the sides, it'll be short.
Yeah.
Light beard on the sides. A little heaviness in the chin, whatever this is, I'm not gonna take this off.
Yeah.
We'll keep it light here.
Alright.
Trim the mustache a bit, make it a bit sharper.
Okay.
Trim this area, blend it with the sides.
Perfect.
And as we go up, we're gonna create a square look to make your face more leaner.
Alright, bro.
And then give you some length.
Okay.
Right? So we're not gonna take much of the top.
Yeah.
We're just gonna even it.
Yeah, maybe so my hair, they get curled after a particular length.
Yes.
Alright, so we need to there's a curl here. So
just cut it.
I think till the time it starts to curl, usse thoda sa chota we'll have to keep it, right? Because then it gets all waved, you seeing this? So there's a length till which it's fine and then it goes berserk.
Understood.
Right, yeah.
Cool.
Alright, man, I'm excited.
Is this your natural hair parting?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So we'll keep that intact.
Yeah, perfect. And we'll just keep this in mind so that.
Understood.
Yeah, usually what happens, this one time I got a really bad cut. So the dude cut it till here and then I was looking like really bald.
No,
I'll show you.
Yeah. I know what you mean. And you don't want it to be drastically short here and then it's long here.
Yeah, I don't want it to be, so here I think we're gonna get a part here as well, right? So I don't want the part to be till here, so that
Understood.
it exposes this entire, like, you know, receding hairline. Good stuff, bro. I mean, I love it. I've never gotten like a beard like this. Usually I just trim it off. I'm very lazy with that. But I think, yeah, man, looks good. Haircut's exactly like how I wanted it. Would you have made any changes with the haircut though? Or that's like...
No, bro, I think with your, considering your face shape and your personality, bro, I think this is the best haircut.
Perfect, bro. I think that's amazing, yeah. Thank you so much, bro. And
that,
where can we find you if we were to like find you on, let's say, Instagram or YouTube or someplace?
Bro, I'm on Instagram, The Wolf of New Delhi.
Perfect.
Just hit me up.
I'm the Wolf of New Delhi, yeah. You've got your studio?
Yeah, man, this is my studio, bro.
In Gurgaon.
Yeah, so because of the situation, this is my place. I'm only doing clients one-on-one, making sure enforcing all safety measures.
Yeah. Perfect, bro. I mean, get this going with you, and I hope you guys learned a lot. If you did, just make sure you follow him on The Wolf of New Delhi and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. This is Kshitij signing off. I'll see you guys later. Peace, boys. Alright, bro.
Nice one.